Alright, I'm being stalked by birds again, but this time I'm bringing it on myself. Watch what happens. So I take a piece of bread and I throw it there and all the birds gather. And then I keep walking and then I throw more. And then they start flying at my head, watch. And then they just keep coming. Look at all the birds. And then there's more. And then they keep coming towards me. Can you see? Whoa, they're flying above my head and it's awesome and scary, look! This is my park where I walk home to school, where I walk home from school. Let's feed a few more birds before we go home. Let's go that way. All right, I'm going home. Bye.